हाउ टू टॉक टू स्ट्रेंजर्स विथ कॉन्फिडेंस। यस, आप किसी भी स्ट्रेंजर्स, किसी भी अनजान इंसान से कैसे कॉन्फिडेंटली बात करोगे। मैं आज बताऊंगा आपको ऐसे 5 हैक्स, ऐसे 5 टिप्स एंड टेक्निक्स। जो लास्ट वाला है वो भाई भयानक है, तो लास्ट वाला तो बिल्कुल सुनना, बट एवरी टिप एंड टेक्निक इज रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड। यस, यहाँ पे जो भी मैं टिप देने वाला हूँ, हाउ टू टॉक टू एनी स्ट्रेंजर्स, एक एक टिप आपकी लाइफ को चेंज कर सकता है, मैं बता रहा हूं। एंड वाई आई एम द राइट पर्सन टू टेल यू, एंड आई एम सुपर कॉन्फिडेंट दैट आई कैन हेल्प यू। यू नो वाई? बिकॉज आई एम अ वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट पर्सन। मैं बहुत कम बात करता हूं, बट वेन आई हैव टू स्पीक, आई स्पीक. You know, there is one reason why we face difficulties while talking to any strangers. Because from our childhood, we have been conditioned that don't talk to strangers. Strangers se baat mat karo. But my question is, why? Why do you feel difficulties talking to strangers? Will they eat you? Will they slap you? What is the reason? The first reason is what to speak. क्या बोलूं मैं? The second reason is how to speak. कैसे बोलूं? And the third and the most important is what if he rejects me, or what if she rejects me? So fear of rejection. एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात बताऊं, आपकी लाइफ में कोई ना कोई तो ड्रीम पर्सन होगा ही. There must be somebody you dream to meet, जिसके साथ आपने कभी भी मुलाकात नहीं की. ऐसा है ना? For example, I am here and that person is here. Okay, that is that dream person. Do you know one secret? There are 4 strangers are there in between that person and me. There are 4 strangers. If you become so expert talking to strangers, then you will be very close to that dream person. Yes, you will be very close to that dream person. ये जो मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, strangers and I, and between there are 4 strangers are there. This concept is known as 6 degrees of separation. आप किसी भी इंसान के साथ कनेक्ट होना चाहो, उस इंसान और आप में 4 लोगों का डिस्टेंस है. अगर वो 4 लोगों को हम कनेक्ट कर पाए तो हम उस इंसान से मिल सकते हैं. Now tell me, do you want to learn how to connect with your dream person? If you really want to meet that person, you have to learn. Let's go for it. Accept the negative emotion. Yes, accept it. I'm scared and I have fear of rejection. मुझे डर लग रहा है, इसे accept कीजिए. Why I'm feeling so nervous? मैं ऐसा क्यों feel कर रहा हूँ? Please accept this emotion. It is absolutely fine and it is normal. Everyone, they have the fear of rejection. It is absolutely normal. करना क्या है? Step ahead, make an eye contact. किसी के साथ भी आप बात करना चाहते हो, मन में दुख दुख कर रहा है, you know, your heart is pumping, you are nervous, but don't think anything. Just go, step ahead, look at the eyes and say, hi, I'm Subhash Karthik. Tell your name. Start with your name. I may not be comfortable inside, but when I smile, when I use my gestures, I look as if I'm super happy to meet somebody. Yes. Okay, I have negative emotions, fear, nervousness, but I'm not going to show you that. I'm not going to show this to any strangers that I meet. I'll just go with the flow. I'll just go with the flow. What is the flow? Just go, step ahead, smile, tell that person, hi dear, I'm Subhash Karthik. You will see the person will surely reply with his or her name. Is there any chance of failure? Yes, only 5%. जी हाँ, 5% चांसेस रहेंगे कि वो आपसे बात नहीं करेगा. Only 5%. बट क्या वो 5% के लिए आप आगे नहीं फेस करोगे उसको? Will you not face him? Think about it. Always remember, socializing, interacting with people is always right and always accepted. And the person who is not accepting me, this is his or her problem. That is not my problem. But yes, I will be the first person to say hello. Ask a question in context. Yes, after you say hello and you tell your name, start with a question. What could be the question? For example, you have met in a place or an event. मतलब दोनों आप एक ही इवेंट में हो या एक प्लेस में हो या रास्ते में हो. कंटेक्स्ट क्या है? What is the context? मतलब रीजन क्या है? अंडरस्टैंड द रीजन. सपोज आप रोड में खड़े हो, यू कैन सिंपली से हाय डियर, वेयर आर यू हेडिंग टू? आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? वेयर आर यू हेडिंग टू? कहाँ जा रहे हो आप? यू कैन सिंपली से दैट. हाँ, अगर उसने पहले उसका नाम नहीं बताया है और यू फेल्ट दैट ही हैज रिजेक्टेड यू ऑलरेडी, then don't ask this question. But if that person has said his name, he is also smiling or she is also having a mild smile in her face, then you should ask, where are you heading to? Or you can start from you only. Hey, I'm going to that place. Where are you heading to? Start with your reason and then ask for the reason. Very simple. Start with a question in context. Or suppose you have gone to a new place and you don't know anything about that place. You meet a stranger. You can ask him. आप उसे पूछो. Hi, I'm very new here. Could you please recommend me with some places where I can do my shopping? मैं यहाँ पे नया हूँ. क्या आप मुझे recommend करोगे कि यहाँ पे कहाँ shopping अच्छा होता है? Simple. Ask question in context. Or suppose आपके लिए वो local area, you are in a local place, but you feel that person has come from some other city. You can simply ask, "Hi, I stay here only, but I have never seen you before." मैंने आपको कभी नहीं देखा. I have never seen you before. Ask a question. Bring an emotional component. Emotional, because that person is stranger. There is no emotion, and when there is no emotion, we don't talk. Because two robots, they don't talk. दो रोबोट बात नहीं करते हैं. जब इमोशन होता है तभी लोग बात करते हैं, right? So ask a question which should ignite some feelings, but that question should be comfortable. For example, suppose that person is a local person and you are from other city. You can simply ask him, "Hey, how do you feel being a local boy or a local girl from this city?" आप यहाँ के लोकल हो, आपको कैसा लगता है? How do you feel? How do you feel being a local of this city or this place? Ask some feeling oriented question. How do you feel being a local? Communicate your experience in the moment. जी हाँ, उस moment में आप क्या feel कर रहे हो? What are you feeling in that particular moment? Share with the stranger. Hey, I feel great coming to this new city. People here are amazing, so helpful. मैं बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ के लोग बहुत हेल्पफुल हैं. यू आर शेयरिंग योर मोमेंट. यू आर शेयरिंग योर रियल एक्सपीरियंस. उस एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर कीजिए. और सपोज यू फील दैट पर्सन इज न्यू एंड यू आर लोकल. You go to that person and tell that person, "You must have been here in this city for a few days. So how has been your experience? Please share. कैसा लगा ये city आपको? Please share your thoughts. Please share your feelings. आपको कैसा लगा? Share it." Right now you might be thinking that so many points you are describing, sir. How to remember all this? You don't have to remember, guys. We are doing here. We are practicing here. First thing, don't forget, step in, go to that person, say hello with a smiling face, tell your name. When you start like this, rest of the points will follow. You don't have to remember. The points will follow if you know the points. अगर आप points जानते हो, then they will follow you. They will give you support. Don't worry about it. आपको ये रट्टा मारने का नहीं है, but सीखने का जरूर है. You have to listen. You have to set that right into your brain. Dive in with smile and handshake. Right now the climax has come. Now you want to say bye to that person, or maybe that person wants to go. You could feel it, right? अब वो जाना चाहता है या चाहती है, or you have to go. Simply have a smile on your face and handshake with that person. Look at that person and say, "It was pleasure meeting you, dear." And after that, you want to exchange your mobile number, you can simply do that. But yes, look at the person, smile and shake hand and say, "It was pleasure meeting you." And one thing, if you really want to get the number from that person and you are thinking that should I ask for the number or not, asking the mobile number is not wrong. You can. But yes, there should be a permission. Before you ask for the number, you should ask for the permission. Would you mind if we both share our numbers so that we can connect anytime in the future? Yes. and it is absolutely fine. It is absolutely fine if we do that. So when you want to socialize with people, talking to that person, smiling with that person, meeting that person, introducing that person, shaking hand with that person and exchanging number with that person is socially right. There's nothing wrong in this. Always remember, when you talk, when you're being social, when you communicate effectively, you create an impression. And always remember, the bigger your impression, the bigger your income. So, be expert in your communication. It really doesn't matter you are an introvert or an extrovert. You talk less or you talk more. If you respect your listener to whom you're talking to, that's the first priority. And yes, if you feel you want to improve your communication skills, you want to improve your body language, you want to improve the way you present yourself, you really want to improve your English communication, you want to be fluent, you want to be impressive speaker, join our 5-day workshop. The cost is only 100 rupees. Yes, 5-day workshop, 100 rupees. We have already completed 1,000 batches. More than 3 lakh students have already taken this workshop. Now it's your turn. If you want to join, you can find the link in the description. Go in the description, click on the link and join our 5-day workshop. We'll meet you live. Yes, we'll meet you live in the session.